Question 12, we are told to use matrix to solve. So simply to solve a simultaneous equation using matrix, what you're supposed to do is to multiply the inverse by the values. So by the answer value. So we're going to multiply the inverse of this matrix, the 2 by 2 matrix, by the answer value. So to find the inverse, let me just first write it in the form of a matrix equation. Then I put on the x and y value, the way they represent each other, then 35 and -8. Just for a quick one, to find the inverse, we're going to multiply the opposite, 5 times -4. First, to find the determinant, you subtract by 3 times 3. So there we have -29. Therefore, the inverse is 1 over -29. Then on these ones, they change position. So -4 and 5 places there. Then this one, they change sign, -3, -3. So this is what I'm supposed to multiply by the answer value. So we are going to have 1 over -29 multiply then the inverse matrix there, multiply this by the answer value is equals to xy. So we are going for row versus the column. Therefore, -4 times 35 and -3 times 8. Let me write it down so that in case of referrals, you can just see it clearly. So the next one, -3 times 35. This one you add to 5 times -8. Remember the 1 over -29 that was outside. This one should give me the value of x and y. So 1 over 29. If you multiply the ones for inside, you have -116 and -145 is equals to xy. Therefore, if I multiply the number outside, the determinant, by the number inside, we have that for the top answer 5, 4, and the lower one 5. Therefore, it means that the value of x, it is 4.